Camooweal town is about 2,000 kilometers from Brisbane, state capital of Queensland. There is a Billabong near Camooweal town with plenty of bird life.
You know who made it.
This Billabong is a lovely stretch of water which sustains a multitude of plants and wildlife. On this windy morning, Ibis, egrets, cormorants and hawks all lined up to fish against the wind.
You know who made it.
Birds have learned to fly against the wind and stay nearly aloft to focus on fish coming closer to the surface of water, then dive and scoop them up. There is plenty of fish for all the birds, so no pushing and shoving. Well, at the moment.
You know who made it.
Although they are staying aloft in strong wind, but moving slowly forward, and then they quickly go back and start another slow run over the water against strong wind.
You know who made it. You know who made it.
Going back to start again. One hawk joined the show late and started chasing others.
You know who made it.
One egret got tired and trying his luck wading the water.
You know who made it.
Wagtail is also busy catching small insects or tiny marine life. Egrets typically stand still and watch for unsuspecting prey to pass by. Then, with startling speed, the egrets strike with a jab of their long neck and bill. A couple of playful Brolgas also joined this non-stop fishing bonanza. The name Brolga is taken from an Aboriginal language, Brolga. Brolgas are best known for their intricate and ritualized dance. One Brolga managed to get one fish, but having difficulty in gulping live fish.
You know who made it.
Other Brolga also tried unsuccessfully to eat it. It is time for Brolgas to go home now. Brolgas feed and breed in open wetlands, coastal mudflats, and irrigated croplands, occasionally visiting mangrove creeks and Billabong.
You know who made it.
For more Outback videos, search and subscribe Fox Rule channel on YouTube.